Hello, welcome to this video looking at my top 3 Blender tutorials for beginners. If you've done the donut tutorial and you're wondering what to do next, I am suggesting that these next 3 tutorials on YouTube are a really good way to enhance your Blender skills. So first up, I would choose Grant Abbott's Low Poly World. This is a great tutorial just to kind of flex those Blender muscles, and he's fantastic at explaining how to use Blender well and all the different shortcuts. This is my render that I've done myself on a low poly well in my Stardew Valley scene, and using Grant's tutorial to help me create that low poly Blender well. And it was a lot of fun, lots of skills involved there. Next up is Polygon Runway, who is fantastic at making amazing scenes and also has great tutorials online for free on YouTube. I made his Pokeball one. That's a really fun tutorial to do, quite easy for those who are beginning and starting out in Blender. And he does a lot of lighting techniques and shading and adding materials, which is so helpful when creating scenes in Blender. Next up is CG Geek, who made a low poly worlds render. This tutorial is great for those starting out, so there's not too much detail, but there's enough there that you can create a really fun looking scene like this. This is one of mine. And just go through the basics of modelling in low poly really, and it doesn't take long, so you can create one of those really fun worlds. So yeah, so those are the ones I would recommend if you're just starting out, you've just finished the donut tutorial and you're looking for something else to flex those Blender muscles. I hope you found that's helpful. Do let me know in the comments any tutorials that you've enjoyed, as I'd love to hear them and try them myself. Thanks so much for watching.